Yeah. Hi, honey. How are you? I'm curious. Where do you put your sofa in the living room?
Hi, I am good, thanks. The sofa is against my wall, right in the front of the TV. How about you? Where do you have your sofa in your living room?
Our sofa is in the corner, forming an L shape, and it is facing TV. Hotel and coffee table in between. Where do you usually keep your books?
My books are on bookshelf next to the sofa, so I can easily grab them way I want to read. And you, where you do keep your books?
Mine are on a bookshelf near the window, so they have good natural light. Where do you have your desk for working?
My desk is in corner of the study room with a big lamp on top. Where do you have your desk?
I have the desk in the bedroom right next to the bed, so I can work at night without distraction. And I want and your family photos. Where do you put them?
The family photos are on a shelf above the TV in the living room. I like seeing them every day. How about you? Where you do put yours?
Mine are in a collage on the wall, so I see them every time I pass by while hold each interaction to see how he organizes your home differently.
Yes, very interesting. Maybe we can take some ideas from each other to change things up a bit. Talk to you later.
Thank you to letter love.